In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a time entry in Hubstaff. If you ever need to correct track time, update details, or make a quick adjustment to an existing entry, Hubstaff makes that process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can edit a time entry with confidence. To begin, look over to the left-hand sidebar in Hubstaff and click Timesheets, then choose View and Edit. This area is where you can review previously tracked time and manage individual entries. If you're not seeing the exact entry right away, don't worry. The next step is to choose the view that works best for you. Hubstaff gives you a few different ways to look at your timesheet data. You can select the daily view if you want to focus on one day at a time, the weekly view if you want a broader look at your work across several days, or the calendar view if that layout helps you find entries more easily. The best option really depends on how you prefer to review your time, so feel free to switch between them until you find the entry you need. Once you've chosen your view, locate the time entry you want to edit. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct item, especially if you have several entries that look similar or were logged on the same day. Looking carefully before making changes can help prevent accidental edits. When you've found the correct entry, you can either click the Actions menu associated with that item or select the time entry directly, depending on how it appears in your workspace. Both options are simply different paths to the same editing tools. Next, click Edit. This will open the available fields for that time entry, so you can make the necessary changes. From there, just follow the on-screen prompts. Hubstaff will guide you through the options available for that entry, and the exact fields you can update may vary depending on your account settings or the type of time entry you're working with. As a helpful tip, once you've made your changes, it's always a good idea to quickly review the updated information before moving on. That extra check can help ensure your timesheet stays accurate and complete. And that's it. That's how to edit a time entry in Hubstaff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.